Hey there, folks! Welcome to another episode of Healthy Living with me, your host. Today, we're going to discuss something our bodies desperately need but often fails to get a healthy way of cleansing our kidneys. We will explore the top 10 kidney cleansing natural foods that will help make your kidneys feel like they're brand new. Kidneys are one of the most essential organs in our bodies that help in maintaining the balance of fluids, electrolytes, and acid-base levels of the body. Any impurities in these areas could lead to some severe health issues. As such, it's crucial to keep the kidneys healthy and functioning at an optimal level. So, without any further ado, let's dive into the list. Starting with number 10. Red bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and manganese. Their significant health benefits make them a nutritious addition to your diet. But did you know they also work wonders in cleaning your kidneys? Red bell peppers are packed with antioxidant-rich nutrients that will help flush out toxins, free radicals, and other unwanted impurities from your kidneys, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. Moving on to number 9. Grapes, the tiny yet mighty fruits, are a heavenly treat for those who love juicy flavors. But did you know that their high water content, low calorie count, and the presence of antioxidants and potassium make them an ideal choice for cleansing your kidneys? Grape seeds contain flavonoids called proanthocyanidins, which work as potent antioxidant agents responsible for neutralizing free radicals and reducing the risk of kidney disease. Number 8 on our list. Cabbage, often the subject of jokes for its notorious smell, has excellent kidney cleansing properties. This cruciferous veggie is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, B vitamins, and fiber, thus supporting a balanced digestive system. What's more, the glucosinolates present in cabbage help produce valuable enzymes in the body that aid in detoxification and boost overall kidney health. Up next, we have number 7. Parsley, often used as a garnish for dishes, is so much more than just a pretty plant. Its potent diuretic properties help improve urine flow in the body, flushing out any impurities in the process. Parsley is also rich in powerful antioxidants like vitamin C, A, and E. The flavonoids, luteolin, and apigenin present in parsley help decrease inflammation and protect the kidneys from damage. Number 6 on our list. Beetroot, a root vegetable packed with fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to cleansing the kidneys. It's rich in betaine, a compound that aids in flushing out calcium deposits from the kidneys and removing toxins from the body. Beetroot also contains a significant amount of nitrates, which promote blood flow in the kidneys and enhance overall kidney function. Number 5. Cranberries, tart and juicy, are a delicious source of vitamins C, fiber, and antioxidants. They also possess a specific flavonoid called proanthocyanidins that prevent bacteria from clinging to the walls of the urinary tract, thus reducing the risk of urinary tract infections and keeping your kidneys healthy. Let's move on to number 4. Asparagus, the green stalks packed with a nutty flavor, can be an ideal ingredient for kidney health. Its diuretic properties stimulate the kidneys and encourage them to flush out waste and toxins from the body. Asparagus is also rich in antioxidants like glutathione and vitamin C, which help combat cell damage and protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. Number 3. Watermelon, the iconic summer fruit, is not just delicious, but also excellent for promoting kidney health. Its high water content helps stimulate urination and flush out toxins and impurities from the kidneys. Watermelon also contains lycopene, a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys. Now, let's see number 2. Garlic is a versatile ingredient known for its antimicrobial and antibacterial benefits. Its diuretic properties help increase urine production, promoting the removal of toxins and impurities from your kidneys. Garlic is also packed with antioxidants like allicin and selenium, which help counteract oxidative stress and protect the kidneys from damage. Number 1 on our list. Lemons, with its high citric acid content, are excellent kidney cleansing agents. They help flush out toxins from the kidneys and prevent the formation of kidney stones. Lemons also contain antioxidants like vitamin C, which protect the kidneys from oxidative damage and inflammation,